what you intend to do. It's not like this is the first time Papa no so can galamsey who wants him. Papa have been talking about galamsey and maybe crow attack. I think people say it's about leadership. Say leaders in your migrants so mbe so and names who are called no say na safo no baby omo. It might not be new to you. It might not be new. Said you can say it's not the first time. Certain Magufa was not ina pampa. Yes. Na I am pampa. Tinia so ba. Beano ice water. Am I? And I do some mobile bit mine ice water. Bit mine crystal clear water. Eddie mine. Enti anokra de eye non starter say. Obi betwon adwens is ogi tum so be si aman. And that's what is how say yenko say Akufo-Addo. Are you okay? That kind of disrespect and the impudence, no, is uncalled for. Because Dr. Awuzie, a learned person, I look at how beautiful and young she is. Sabi to be a one kasa yenim de wo trimu. One kasa obi anim so enyansani until you speak. Some of these people can be groomed to be vice and even president of this nation. But the moment Amobekasa ni ehun de wo mutrim say e de na wo trim, it's not about book knowledge, e de na wo trim. And you are daring and giving him warning. Now Dr. Uzida okra wo we say no be there normal or man warning. Do you think some of us you allow the person to go and a man of his caliber? Ana dear man here me time cry me time ye chelpa now pine. Me obi oba be patch waka say Musiman can say yeah. The moment you use say I am kwasia chelpa. The moment obi be pa chow take it from you obeka chem say and so what say my you say dia enemy pa chow. If you say I've done this, then I'm sorry. The moment someone says that, it means that the person or your unrepentant soul or you'll be on your remorseful. I didn't know you because of say ya shen so me. I know na man Julius Debra kusunu because of you and then Julius Debra and a general stage is using. You see, sometimes oyo ho ahodin bebra ye kunjaw. Tie kan so oyo ho bema bebra ye kunjaw. If you think you know it all, and now you have the infantry to be one and say you are daring the person man. Hey, now when the you are not happy. I thought it be our more money here. Seriously, more money here because there are some people we from the eyes that we have, you know, yet teacher say nipa we grooming now obetima be say obetima na say bi mu bia ma no na nsem hunu ne nsem fin ne be free aba na am I disappointed, so disappointed. Sanya ma we nyina kemba e na wama ai Professor Mantemu nyina aba abote ba be kasa da the papa no so kind esa cry be say the professor be kind na emissary. You cannot attack Obi like that. You can't approbate and reprobate at the same time. There are some crowd come out near me time say na Akufo-Addo was no. Na Akufo-Addo ye nyanke fro say bona mo me ni man. Ye wu na be save ya. O si na de no ho no. What kind of disrespect am nya so for no kra. O de magana for. O de enfa so for no to nchen. Disrespect to us as citizens. You're sorry how much the so nkoto aba say bombra meto no. Bombra be for mine. Is that how you pay us back? And I will not waste my time on it. Just that the man here somebody can say Julius Sako Pacho and people are making a lot of things out of it. Be say then Massa Julius Debra as a matured person, as someone who is a chief of staff or that staff, no. He did the right thing, and don't forget, say he's a member. He's a member of the Church of Pentecost. So to me, I don't see any big deal or qualms, and I disagree with some people. I respect them. said then he said obepa chomienu. No, it doesn't make sense to me. If you're listening to my men, they now say, or your communicator, you know, said the woman was not apologizing. You know very well, say, na my men, and yet your partner no pa. Oh, now, judging where the air there were. You know that in your chopper and my men epa. And it is worrying. But also, you also sign a word of caution amount. Say, if you continue to disrespect people because they share their opinion, we cry just in a public area, you are in a congregation and is giving report at a general conference or whatever that they went for, and all money report, and you have the guys in the infantry to speak trash. Also, you have my warning. I'm giving a warning. So next time, misbehave, you hear from some of us. I'm giving you this question. Said the next time I'll be misbehave, you hear from us. What kind of nation do you guys want to build? Sadaya will be also nipa nenti na nipa ntimi ya nka Ghana for se murame. What kind of disrespect, sir? Or because some of you have got an appointment, you think we are senior now. And that man saying go choose to be a politician. Ko bet me in your position now one time, still bet be the president. I'm telling you, boss, His Excellency John Dramani Mama, even give him the maximum respect. Now, oh dear, and now final to four. This should be your first and last. Over can't trash to anyone, any panel, any opinion. You hear from some of us. All right, so that was it. That was it with Auzi and so Sabi, the unrepentant apology or the buyer Julius Sakusun. Wait, you can't say where you can say Julius chapter 1 verse 9. Now Julius soon, yeah. I will be able to be the aquacus. When you ipa o koko na fufu todi. But Julius did the aquacus. Ayo, what the area for ya what? Now, my main quote. I had the ano pay me person me yehu adwuma pa. Hwe ekobase oh, people want to know Julius Apache me so mo amon fanto so mo chief of staff chopper no occupy no mo fanto so Barbara, let them show that video. Na memra the current situation of our light. Let me tackle it. Me say, any payano never pass my main. Yanu yan so ade be ye frasimu. And you be judged by your words. Ade bia what the one no be kan sadie no and ye be you wanting. Let's have the video. Me say monya ntentem ne time nim sa monya ntentem. So that of Julius Diano. Now you moving on. Na menche the current situation of Dumso. You go for boss now. Yes, on got to change investigation. No, I'm from the mra area. Se papa minister wo to me say o manage and change. And no already meaning to say Dumso na ekono sabotage. Kofo bi na sabotage aban. Enfa for na yesa. Ana Ashanti region so na top hierarchies no. Ashanti region. Isi jinseka head office wakra. Ashanti region. Ano yabe sankra nyomem. And the sabotage no. Minister believes is a sabotage na. I don't know more rema say yenye and sachaye wom no. Truly as are people that wicked say can ya ye na be enjoy ye be ya amanyosem. Can ya ye de ya amanyosem. I don't like the rate we are moving this morning. Cra video na check. I send it early dawn. So how much share video mom na say munyini keke na munya. It's not fine. And people are requesting me movie on. Mesra mo ani die mo a. And what happens in say within Kania Nidian Senipa da seni beka so betena se nipa da seni so betena se dum Kania se o sabotage aban bia. Then what's the wisdom in this? And then nipa kro no so hey where ye et is a treason on and ameboa so be betena se say because NDC aban na wosunti yenunun Kania na yenhyehyehye substations na yemfa nhye NDC aban ene nipa kron so de ene ene aketua beba nso ano adien mekai chabo Sompa ye bi oboma politicians ene emubuo ya de ne nka ebimra ne so pa because who in his right state of mind say Kania yenyina ye enjoy that person who intentionally go say or kwa sabotage aban because of Kania. I'm not saying say ni pebi ntimi nje. There are cartels in every institutions. Cartel bi o hodma aban bi ba ombe onje so ombe sabotage na bi o hosa. But I'm doubting this. Because the entire maker chose I'm doubting this and say here immediate findings now a report on the findings of Akosombo substation share you pese ehu die tuam. The reason I'm doubting is say before Akosombo obehye no substation obehye no na Kania dum so na ye wom ana mrebe no mu se nkofo sabotage eyaban through ECG. Okay, ECG ha ne abere shafo because sabotage koso Odu Northern region ne mno afom ho a eye nkofo bia ho e from VR net kufo net kufo ne ho omo so Kania ye dum no ho no omo so eye sabotage da bia. If ECG for sabotage aban enti ehun ne say ye sankra nwamam ye yibia free ho in Ashanti region a omo nya ECG form ye VR netco a omo other areas no omo so sabotage ni bia na because omo nyina so da su hu. Excellency John Dramani Bekache say or any minister Bekache say currently the transformers ni be on my obsolete baby also almost sano Emma president ni minister for energy ekwone namhwe transformer. I was like transformers this is a president man be transformer this is a president man be transformer yankashi president ni go through pese Ghana for efa media for the chire show my ehun say transformers for fraba we have to replace the old transformers and holding aba form. That is fine because infidie bia who use no holding ba form. So say if engineers no in their wisdom are calling for say there should be replacement, we have no qualms with it. Timokachi said there will be timetable, there will be proper arrangement. You better do baby that why you do area near fix transformers. Then na die enya transformers biem dem bom ye say Kania no shase dudum ye before transformers issues neighbor transformers issues by edaso dundum ene ye de kwa kwosha Akosombo. What is all this? I'm not saying say per the megawatts substation no contribute no. I'm not saying say it will not have effect on us. It will have effect on every Ghanaian. It will have effect effect also. But why are we doing this? Say it's a sabotage. That is why I want to get it clear. But I don't pay my meaning komomra. Mene Rashid Ibrahim Esquire or a Nooks president. Na omne komobia baba to abonting. Now a very, very important conversation on Marco Rezi Ediaba. Aropai Ibrahim Aropai my chair, Council. Now I'm to say Damiadom Yan so yan ho ye papa. I think sir and chair cry yaha yane rent control boss as say o act you know. Edi kobo ba ha studio abecheche mu a man edru ba bi ko chemu se about hostel pricing and all that. Dinna is under the umbrella of rent control. There are new phases we introduce and all that. Now, more requested and I'm more calling for an urgent intervention. It will be a strict enforcement. I'm a Rent Act now on hostels pricing. What exactly pushed for this?
Okay, I think let's come back what you will now. Next sentence of Osman Daniel students are not here and none of you home in abroad. Share as much as you know Ghana students, you work directly with the students. Until student concern be on address it. Share in many office by December. When people are making the about issue of students and then tenants students and landlords and hostel managers. Landlord be a fact. Or you want to make us inflation across you see a rent.
Yeah.
You are too small to boom increasing the rent. I was black or so and increasing the rent. You are too petrol. Can you imagine you're the petrol resident? You are too petrol multi with too many. Now imagine so we are sit down there 10 years ago. Now lay too full, you are still enough fuel and also they are too many in the rent. This is the Ocean Rent Act now. By Section 5 of the Act now, stipulated say, landlord who pursue increase your rent, and you don't do it unilaterally or arbitrarily. What you do is that you go to the appropriate rent officer. Now rent officer now access the percentage of increase the basis wrong. It's not strong enough. Don't you say inflation across here? Act like a stipulated no man say be a full and as I be the original to be 220 most of the exist here. You have no right to increase it. When painting down that all the structural adjustments when there is improvement be all the others all they are doing too. And if students don't complain that they be already done enough or increase on rent, be also quite a relationship with the landlord, and we're fine or 13 every day. People complain so and I have watched it. I don't think I've looked president say no, don't you now every hands are and my name is also. I don't think I have made petition rent control. I'm going to hear the body I'm rent or Ghana. I'm going to Ministry of Works and Housing. And then make sure official petition and be submitted in my rent control commissioner and the Ministry of Works and Housing. Now we are submitting petition, but now the petition in one. And we know the here and the outline is said rent control and the Ministry of Works and Housing on the human money. They become on investigative pricing structure. Our hostel facilities in the road by Ghana. Quite a difference of charging, and as a charge of the manner, I want to say the standard and as the quality of even the services they are delivering to the students. What should require video, what should have one thing that be. Now, so students bear 5, will be a 7,000 Ghana cities. Let me be done back home. Because we are long to be a charge exorbitant prices. You know what they don't realize is that it's not the students who pay this money. And your parents the chair. Students who say so you are putting pressure on even your parents. So if that is there, we are for now mother and Sanku school. The mean that Bakuna will be a 70 million, 7,000 Ghana cedis. Almost school fees in mind. Over University of Ghana, almost still price, a board the purchase school fees, over UPSC, University, almost still price board the purchase school fees. But yes, they can't increase it, but the increase must be reasonable. And on there, they are talking more. They are person rent control by the said, or more enforce strict compliance with the act, particularly respect to advance rent payments, any lawful procedure for rent increment. who consider them student consider them more. You person will try 3 months advance. Sorry, 3 years advance. Months 6 months. Who go get down seeking you more area put your rent. Landlord no within that 3 years no on 1 year any improvement there or done. If you person very control or more strict enforcement of the law. And then the person the person who provided sanctions, prescribed sanctions to property owners and hostel operators are before liable in breach of the law. Even Section 25 Rent Act no more. A prescribed punishment say any provisional landlord and not tenant the bill guardians no is liable to a term of imprisonment or a fine. This is a criminal offense. You can go to jail for just breaching that provision or any provision of the act. And the person rent control. Landlords are not even student tenants not finally liable. They should provide sanctions appropriately. And I'm also saying the person almost establishing clear guidelines for hostel pricing and tenancy arrangement. The person a landlord will see that occurs that will be students in Kuala Yabfa. Ministry and rent control provide guidelines. So students in Kuala offer there. Any person will be, any person will see. So that they you use the guidelines we and our students you will follow, and as the landlords will follow. So you see that purposely for students accommodation. And then also like the person almost strengthen monitoring and enforcement mechanisms to ensure sustained compliance. As some about rent control, Ministry of Education, Western Housing, we are solving issues like you. Now you call that your man of himself. And we are almost this one as a new issue. And you say almost strengthen monitoring, almost monitoring what I do and say, and landlords are not saying property owners now use dim branosi. And lastly, and I'll be also here. The person community accessible reporting channel for students to make complaints and seek redress without fear of victimization. Like I said, students, creative platform there, students cram preventing and I say, protecting the privacy, so the report will be there. No, I'm saying any person that's in a better report. Rent Act will provide it. So, what landlord no? So, we will tenant in the issue. That's a rent control bill, ever so what's that issue now? We did first 2 years, I resolved that issue, no, ultimately kill it and fulfill. So that they are better to be our report to me. No, within that first 2 years, I resolved the issue, no, and you quite say we kill it and fulfill. And until, like I said, I will provide the channel. Now, in fact, they call rent control, no, I will show some software there, and software over there for I am student with my reporting all abuses. All rent increment, all arbitrary increase, everything to the platform. We report to rent control, and we active. That very soon, we may establish a task force and rent control loops, and rent control, and this idea in the Bayama. And to me, the option is only a year, and we are providing a petition, you're submitting it to rent control in the Ministry of Works and Housing, so I'm moving in my.
Do you think, sir, we are not doing enough when it comes to enforcement of this same emra? Yashishegu hodada. Yes,
that is true. Because we share near course Ghana here. I did be Ghana have money. I did Ghana have the issue is about enforcement lapses and regulatory lapses. One more when you say citizens will be in Brasono. I will know my and this time around you can say Yanka Saya for some more money. Now Ocean Rent Commissioner appointing Namia why not you say or pursue a near Yajuma. And then quite unique Sonama that Ghana Basu said, why already saw the same may your national union of Ghana students and in the office your collaborating Yajuma. May sure say by next month, by the end of even next month, you will do improvement.
Good. I think it's a very good collaboration because sometimes, looking at how some of students here are dealing with them are being displaced, all because of Sabia sending now an upfront money be at 3 years when man make it what be at 2.5 or 2 years. There was a situation about him say if you run budget 2 years, an old man initial deposit of 1 year or 3 months or why they was on 2 day now. She say Gigi, we have to come in, step in and all that. Do you see sir collaboration say Ebeboamo too is looks ready to help rent control?
Yes, looks we are ever ready. All our people are on standby. What we are waiting for is rent control. Because Jack, let's move. All of us are moving together. Because in Ghana, a school for a sofa casino. Like school for us to go and sofa. I would want to tree. I would want to suffer. And you looks ready. And you're trying to create petition. Jack was said, or man's over mine. And we are ready. We are ever ready to collaborate with the rent control to establish even a task force that will go around to enforce the law. Yes.
I think that Mokrata about 23rd, 3 days on 26, and a rent control for so a day release about on this same thing. A mama encouragement to be.
Yes. It gives us some encouragement and relief. At the same time, yes, the plan is rent control. The grievances on that address, you rent is in the free market economy. Rent can never be a free market economy. If you look at the long title of the act, was it an act to establish an amendment rent control or to control rent in Ghana? So if you are controlling, an act is controlling rent in Ghana, how do you tell me that is part of the unregulated sectors in the country, making it a free market economy whereby the forces of demand and supply is what should be determined, the prices of that. So I don't side with the landlords who say that rent is a free market economy. It is influenced by the demand and supply. I don't agree with them at all. Rent is controlled in Ghana, and it is the own control who is in charge of the enforcement of that law. But we will make sure that we collaborate with them to enforce the law.
We too are there as media. Yes, we are a part to see sir. Sanya Maya Kokosono, MBM. Lawyer Rashid, I don't pay my nasi bibre. Lawyer Rashid Ibrahim, Nooks president. I don't pay what is said on also. Omo concern, omo reason, tenancy agreement, especially with in regards to students, as school for hostels. They Tobia, Pemrano Nedia, work from Nedia. Hey, baby, say, Ghana, we have a long way to go, but it's possible. We can do this. Near ma, you bit my Kwame no pay matching.
Oh, any major also.
Then pom to say.
Shady am born yanko pon daroma BBI fine. Why na famudie akade nipa be dia bo nipa. Patron also e.
Oba dia dom me hoye papa minia.
Yeah, that shady am born yanko pon say. It's good to see you like this always.
It's good to see you as well. It's good to see you too. Akwabia odini birthday omuka happy birthday. Was the same to you. It's Yaropay, same to you. Why? Yeah, so
happy birthday, same to you.
Was the same to you.
I see. No, me. I can what that permanent I say here. Oh, kind of brofo. Or those who be our anti-brofo.
I know the same to you. Do I? Pa mechanism zunim ne pao. Ya zo kwabi. Dipanye. Kwabi asama wa do submission amba no contribution and all that. Aya na ya to do bi kura na. So ye nsentwani ana oye timamuni na be kan nsem bi na wanhwe ya. people tag you, but if you said no matter. The same thing, you chastise the previous government, and then okay, as but it not deter anyone. We all want to build a country, a very lovely, a very xenophobia, or South Africa.
Xenophobic act,
yes, that is something that xenophobia, Emrebia besuwa wako esidam. Omumbe mani shedam pejumon. South Africa for me mani shedam pejuma bibiri. In the other African countries in kwa enyuma omunye no. Because South Africa for the tobia dom so mu aprofose seo. Enyuma omunye no. Na Nigeria for no ko omuye. Ghana for no ko omuye. Other neighboring countries in ko omuye. Tino ma benyeska. Omunyaska nso a ne titu ye nuanu malatafo omunyaska so mu de showmanship ne de omba mu oh yes na fe omu san agije omu ages ti omu te wa na afo omu trim no maba no attack eyade a at time I think 15 years ago there be 11 years ago 2015 His Excellency John Dramani Mahama make an emphatic statement on Sadia ya Elkosi actually mo the history sika was a mu bi de boa Ghana free conference mu and kromani ades e de boa eduru ba bi kofo time sika was a kofo de boa Ghana boa South Africa throughout amen na baba be de mu ho a you don't want to see any black man now bro no mo krom you want to see them on but I don't want to see any African a country bia but abrofo de mu sometimes enkophobia migrants ni bi ho a omo ba kwa me omo behavior ya na yetan ewo kro ni bi so etobia ye excess is in excesses etobia anu adin but kwa me the way and the manner omo attack people all because obi free ukrom and the laws na ho na ye adwuma dey. And one situation, I'm say Akra Ghanaian no wa fake the documents because once South Africa for that more and more documents. More institutions nane because of bribery and corruption dream near the idea adokore. So where from all this? Ayana asem wo kan ya ba ko pese bon konko build mu kro na montenam. So if you have to build a nation, some of these things empebuda de bia be kan wasem. Because and rather Minister John Jinapo on this same Doomso issue, this same Doomso issue. Se video na ready amomo. I ready akwaba. He said that or making statement on this same on quite the no touch screen analysis on a Doomso. Now let's
before the here. We must do dance 1 hour. We could do tema 1 hour. We could do Kumasi pick time no. To do 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour. 12 no. On to very doom for politics. It's not because of doom see. One more see doom. Oh, I feel a Matthias. You no come. Doom for by this year. Now only the technology be a banner. And before the here. We must do dance 1 hour. We could do tema 1 hour. We could do Kumasi pick time no. To do 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour. 12 no. On to very doom for politics. It's not because of doom see. One more see doom. Oh, I feel a Matthias. You no come. Doom for by this year. Now only the technology be a banner. And before the here. We must do dance 1 hour.
So you see, as a manipanya jidi wo and nipa no se ni jidi ne kate shorter. Na or refer the nan mo kan ye man ni gina so to abama wa. Usu di omuna ya wati koku mayen kan wasem. E dey rubbish dey go so krome. Say na dey. Bibi koso wontimi nka. Because so kan be tag you. What kind of rubbish is this? Enreya. Honorable John Jina po jina ho. Ama ye jina ye boda basoka. Oh. Honorable John Jina po dia was aban ba mama ba was so minister for energy. Papa no wa pin. Cheche dum suesie mu. Ami on sem pipi for so omu siesie no mo omu dum na no de sie yen. And people massively voted. Say we want a change. We want stability when it comes to Yempa. Yempesi better sumu. And the best man to do the best job. John Jinapo. Mano. And John Dramani Mahama. Anyana bro or the Jumedi mano. And I must say my encancer kanyani dunduma. Media nesa maming. So be ne sabotage. So one who so be sabotage do what is right. But so ko pam nipa odi nipa tena nchen na omo wie na still kanya ne da so dunduma. Then what do you want me to say? Because so shall say transformers. Ana only His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kwane nam transformer ka transformer nya ne ya ka transformer ba ke the president kwane nam transformer man ko inspect wa bra minister for energy wo. Ko mu de ne ko ye mu de olman ko ye we nyina. Mobile ya fe kra de mobile ka chen say enkofo bi na sabotage aban. So conform sabotage no way. Bring them to books. Anuntima ba besesa ma we reshuffle mugu so why ye bi wa ha ECG. No mo mu nyusu ECG o mu yusu netco VR no pe me question o mu nso e. There is a problem. I was ye na ye solve. Ye nya say ye ya amanyosem and people want to score political this and I'm also truthful into Ebema people will say whatever they want to say. What exactly is happening? Because of course on board mint na hankaze ta wax na mega wax na Ephraim no is not a contributor. It is a contributor, but na kania ni dum asana koso bohoshi. Sa substation ishi. Na kania ni dunduma ansa. So what actually is the problem? Mon kan kire yen. Mon kan problem nin kire yen. Because ya be a trademark. Ya be a trademark. Say kakania ni ndundum ana same we see ya then we can contribute it to say and a main contributor. But me den say dum so ne shaze we she da be. We have been experiencing it for quite some time now. So what exactly is the problem? Is it the sabotage you are talking about, which mean non-fa? Is it the sabotage? Is it the Akosombo substation? Oh my goodness! Is it the transformers? Amuma ye believe say transformers in a obsolete transformers and na ho odiamba from Timobesi and Timbedundu. Is that what you are saying? I no crown said you about chile some obey no yes and who can you tell us the truth. What exactly is happening? We are Ghanaians, that is our nation, we will understand. But sir, flimsy excuses now more money there. It doesn't make sense. To be honest with you, it doesn't make sense. Mami, I don't pay mami mamrem.
Obeni, mami na si anope ina fi mena ya tifo her phone so ase anope se omo atani omo kasa fidie no ade ato aye Sompa FM anope omo mo join ye Facebook and afin so YouTube onyina nso e do mo ase se omo join ye ma me fa belated birthday mfama the chief of staff Julius Debra baby o bia papa or humility no ne said ye we are so open na nipa bia to me ba won chen kwan afa so kasa na ubia nso ebo udin no yesrese wa wodai nyame emma nimdie nyansa ehunumu emnya wodie na de bia ne dai nyina sere ya mawfo hu no ebekoso a hu sa anti happy belated birthday to you yeah, Honorable Julius Debra, maybe Obia, Emana Wodapa. Kwame, Mamenko Pimo South Africa, me shall see in few on a fee. Memra issues now a reason or so. Anopeya minya video be ya South Africans in the B. Afre India for, China for, Pakistan for, but man for UK ni USA for, France for man from. Sa China, India, Pakistan na sefo no mafrom no muni modin komo mo warning say enuma hudo no mabie no other African countries no my employer mo kofo mo free hor mo bae no omo hwe no munye munyira di na fi omo hyase emfa oman ma South Africans for no mo for mo enye adwuma forgetting say Africans na dodo na nso abiebi nyuma nso ewo ho na me question they say nti say because me hu video bi a na mo chire mu say a doctor for ni nyina akra nso mo ye adwuma wo ho nso no wo mo nye omadi. So I'm asking this question, more qualified doctors or mo tifie nti na mo ko sa koyi ana asesen ne sitie South Africa bo path bi ana mo create path bi dia to ho a and we are now one very regret it because it took all Africans to make it sure says anti apartheid needing as for you. One every year few on South Africa to me at dinner home. Now say ne South Africans for more demo home. Now who other Africans say or more mutam for a tojemwa. Na and to kwana masha see ne path na mu created ya to ho dia mam ho no. Menim se mo leaders enim menim se mo candidate enim dia menim eno ne me how eno ne question na no so na me bisa say should we not accept the fact to say wo mo leaders no enim ho bi anampo o mo leaders no ena masa go ahead ma de ekoso yi ekoso because we nya de edi kan o Kwame ena we nya de etosu mienu womo ya abro so afi ne nachi obehu say yeti say xenophobic attacks yi ne act yi na man homene so ne abobobo Africans for ne shibinum ye twabi ejade to binum hyi omo ye close binum doors na ye say amount for shops near massa yenti say any strong statement yenti say any punishment yenti se emra eni wonu mo mudi sa nyamrasem ne abonefosem ne sa atrimodensem yi ye de o mafamra so da jube hu se beba na akoto din yo na ochina na asama ne homere so. So I think just like Samuel Okujeto, your foreign affairs minister, engage South Africans or foreign affairs ne or mpanyifo on sa act no. I think say this time round ombetie no more to one among. And yes sir, obepie mo Ghana ha Kwame. MTN e hwan mo dia. There are South African companies ahodo a wo enye sika kese di free emam ha. E de call mo krum. Over me reading now over more than 5,000 called the naturally South Africans wo ye memu ha mo ye adwuma. But one thing said dakokra yeso mo gye adwuma eye. But se mo sa na mo de ba na ye nkomo a mo chiche de ba dia. Then you are telling us say you are ever ready to accommodate more for more other African countries so mo ba mbetimi agye omo. Nti eno ne nkomo a mo hyase. So I am pleading and I am begging say South Africans no o mehunu say nyina ye nipa baako nyina ye bibifo na de eme ya ne say wo mu yesi amrofo no de wo nzu o mu pam o mu o ne o moti asumdwie mu o ne o moti adigye mu o mu de o mu pe o mu. And this act wayen emeye duro baby a Kwame isije ne sa enkomo yi ahodo ya apegya ne dum so ne na asefo no. To me, I think it is high time any science institutions here. You're responsible for any amount who do a coso. Yeah, they are politics ma ene. yɛnhu the cause of dumso baby free ba ebi sɛ ɛyɛ liquidity ho nsɛnsɛm sikasɛm fuel a yɛbɛtɔ ebi sɛ ɛyɛ plant ahodoɔ a like yɛlake a yɛntumi ade megawatt ahodoɔ no mfa nka ho adekyeɛ wobɛti MPP ne NDC saa nti yɛnhyɛ dɛ nhu no yɛ haw ɛma yɛnsɔ ɛhaw no emu na yɛnka sɛ successive government biara ba baabi a wei ɛyɛ duru no na ɔno nso atoa so na aba abɛyɛ ebere bi twa mu ma yɛte sɛ yɛwɔ excess capacity of energy nti sɛ nke yɛwɔ excess capacity dia ɛyɛ den na ɛnɛ deɛ aba yi yɛhunu yi ɛyɛ den ɛna nnɛ yɛte saa nkɔmmɔ yi sɛ ɛrekɔ so ana excess capacity no na ɛnte saa na mmom it was all politics ana sɛn ɛna ɛsitie ɛwɔ hɔnom na ECG foɔ nso ne netco ne gridco ne nasefoɔ nso they should also let us understand na yɛnhunu sɛ wɔn hawankasa paa ɛne deɛn cause MPP bɛba ɔsɛ me discuss wei ma investe ɛde awura the energy sector NPP foɔ nso bɛba NDC foɔ nso bɛba wei sɛ me de sika wei sɛ ɛde awura wei sɛ effort wei na meyɛ still yɛnte hwee ɛne yɛbɛte sɛ light ni dundundundum a ɛna ɔmo de excuse de ba yɛ sɛ wɔn fixe ɛyɛ transformers ahodoɔ ne nasefoɔ afei deɛ sɛ abɛbɔ mu ane sɛ egya akɔtɔ akosomo emu wɔn plant ahodoɔ mu ahyia ɛno nti experience deɛ experience and na no na me bisa question Kwame sɛ yɛka safety ECG VR netco wɔn mfa ni agorɔ wɔn ɛna bɔ ahobammo kɛseɛ paadeɛ efiri wɔn so the question is say ɛyɛ den ɛna egya tumi kɔtɔ mu because yɛ nyantin firi wɔn aso ɛyɛ sɛ efiri A B C D obi na gyi egya kɔtɔ baabi ɛna aba betom obi ankasa na ɛhyɛ da ɛde egya ɛde to ECG for wɔn machines no ne wɔn nneɛma no mu ɛma ne hyi yɛ ana sɛn ɛna esitie and ɛno ne sɛ Ade Akye ande yɛba bɛda ne politics no leaving these engineers leaving this technocrat ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhold wɔn responsible wɔn na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde wɔn ba public for them to respond to issues of national interest no we are not doing that but rather we are calling on the names and the heads of politicians na minim John Jinapo dipa na okɔ sake no minim onyina so a de sake no say no and the cause of what we are going through and the happenings there were your energy sector ni mu ana saying esitie minim more other informations be ne evidence be attached to it say o sabotage system no o sabotage aban no ana se saying ena nkomo no esiti agana for yenim. It has always been this. Ti ebeko sa yentihwi na yom yenhwia na yom ne aye na NDC ne MPP sem. We don't see her ruling, we don't see her taking charge, we don't see her responding, we don't see her being held accountable. Nti dani de nyina no akoye se politicians no na wose ye bomudin dani de nyina akoye se politicians no na wose ye de ade ye prepre e de ko hye omukon saa na asafo ye anya omuti adidim because enano se wo hwe report e babontin sika e ko ECG fo aso ye e ka wo mu bo sika wo mu generate a Kwame chese o trans na dwene ho a wonti ase na unhu bibi soronko bi a ECG fo ye nti a emo mo boss aka gidigidi kakraka na sa so all of these times mo boka but ye who improvement e wo mo day to day activities any more dey your emu ye who improvement and so dani dey nyina mo boka e ka no efiri he ekano efiri he pa na ya mobo sika no modi ye den sika no ya efa he sika no moji a anamo na ya musimudi tu no modi tu ana eno ne board meetings ni allowances akese na amoje no eno ana saying the city because Kwame wojire ho a won ti ase enya maswa na ban se medisika we se ya ba be shim makoto we ye ne to fuel anti like light bills na wo mo gi da ne dan nyina no sika no wo mo so wo mo de ye dan wo mo de ye maintenance ana so wo mo de kotop adien na ye nim nti a wo mo de da ne dan nyina wo mo sika enso wo mo da ne dan nyina ye to light mu ye tum dani denyi na yetum nenso wo sika nso wo dani denyi no wo boka na still dum so no da so ekoso it only relates to incompetence on the part of ECG engineers wo handle sa machines because from 2007 Kwame, how many years now from 2007 and then you were 2026 and the ECG for munya hu mo how and the ECG for say moka say nka mo somehow na no nkakra how many years and the mo amuntumi nso ano and the adechia ne the politics eno na mo pe say woman the Ghana for also the politics is it not an insulting to mo ECG for say munye capable munye competent ana enka biribi ngumu asumu say adwuma no hu na munhu so nim na munnim ye enti na NDC ne MPP for the politics na na bon na mo bon ena baby amote na adwuma na ye de ahya mo nsa na wo se mo ye no munhu ne ye enti na Ghana for the politics na mo di moni mo kwa akosie na mo di moni mo kwa akokata baby na mo di moni mo kwa akoshe baby nti munhu ne say bon na mo bon na adwuma no munhu ne ye enti ana anti adechie bia for the past 5 days ni ube piemu here overseas. I'm talking about where baby meme experience Kwame sade chia what the light mukra na bia be 5 hours
when you be cry
5 hours light ni jina so be 30 minutes ni adumno for close to 3 hours and sana light aba esamba ya jina ne 9 so 30 minutes na mama NDC ni MPP for the kasa mamo ECG netco viary NDC ni MPP for the kasa mamo.
But Kwame, sometimes can we blame them that much?
Kwame, we can blame them all of the time.
One employer ni amanyoni enti na adwuma mi ye di ofa mi amanyoni a bibia ba all na be kasa.
Kwame,
sometimes they don't take the advice of the engineer simple.
Kwame, engineers momna bontie mummy ase Kwame.
Was it called
Kwame?
Big?
Yes,
the former CEO for MD for ECG. I'm not about one thing back can some of this. Also, Drew have done in life was being threatened, and he was forced to leave the company.
So a honorable near who say why fault
I mean, to want to know who answer.
To say Kwame, what you will say, I will your money so ye. Not there be a director now, managing director now, same penny for impose on you say, when I ye. Now Kwame wouldn't him say, quite when I'm dear Jumana fast will be a year. Because when I did in Boneno at the end of the day, when I hear host near Becas a wound who Juma wound nimini yet. Meanwhile, there's a certain hand behind the scenes. Kwame, won't you resign or won't you come out to speak? For us to know, say, and ya wa nemom every baby, just like Dubik ebe no. Dubik ama who say, and your no a simasi obinti come out, talk, let us know, let Ghanaians know, let Ghanaians understand. Say, ECG for the yanamo ye tu ni ABC di betumi aboa nanka Ghana yang hu dum so biem, but politicians no and namo we no mutu. Because at the end of the day, mona mumane their affairs. at the end of the day mona motiti machines no ho na presso dum so nti yenya doom lighter Kwame yenim nkomo ekoso obeti ECG for no bi e dey amomo mo ma mi say ECG for mo ye say ECG for mo ye say na dey mane mo Kwame if indeed so muni mo adwuma Kwame they should let us know say omo ye omo adwuma if senka do big babontin and yesanya obi a ono so ye engineer ono so was a grid co ono so VRA ono so babontin then we know the situation at hand say we need the case at hand na politicians na ebia wo mu ye ni say then if we are taking them on we can take them on well because wo mu dia ye politics na ne baby ya duru ye baby wo mu ni enra menya sure say light gina so for 3 hours mpo menya sure say light a man for enya ye wo hwa hanom kra no ye keka bom piece ni bom a ebedu 3 hours mpo aden de benko ede na Ghana for yayemo ede na timemu for yayemo ede na ye ne a ye to aba no ye de ayemo a enunti eni sini MPP muntumi find a lasting solution for us enunti ECG VRA netco muntumi find a lasting solution for us. Should we continue like this? Yama politics in ya then yanya politics
why nas
yanya politics I
am worried. Yanya politics, should we do politics from everything with everything? Our Robert Father drone mammy come from our Mishawa. This is said your pressure was system in 1 hour so by 2 or 1 now bobo Robert Father that drone be. One am na TTT. Stroke I can be out to double with him once on a kawato. Oh, one am your ya pressure, diabetes. Yadia ya kwankwa draw we beboa pa. A beboa. But so a draw way a divine. What the man ya me kwan. O man ya me chance. Now bobo a draw be a bone say ya so yo hon say training. 0247919122 0247919122 0552668517 0552668517 eye Roman Father Nedruna and RSYD no VG studio sonko studio chochofrocho wa ba dem say oye movie and now person premier bibia na say open studio atwa your professional photographers so and your film production at say highly recommendable pa. There's a standard in annual thing, almost spacious studio, equipment or here state of the art. I don't pay bomba the RSYD no VG studio say brain. Now o movie open so here filmmakers mon quantum. Near movie no home ya on crime. Malama Biase off First Kokroko Street. Ghana Fanena offer so your podcast so you streaming online. Companies are who do mo celebration anniversary mo frɛ ba be nyina mam 0574715778 0574715778 and 030397482 Arope the expert ba ko pe expert wo here sciatica expert 21st clinic the 21st clinic clinic ejina ne na so clinic mu a demom hyene so say yade bia ye hwe nyame atom ye wo doctors nurses ye wo mfidie no ye wo nuro no ni gina bi ho na opa sciatica dia ho de numero 1 crème de la crème je say ye ni obia ye sasu ni babia anopay so wo ba na hwe 21st clinic ye modus operandi that is a quite fast ye adwuma ye clinic bi ni sciatica wo sisi ye twetwe wa besi 90 abesraw yade e cho say yade kese e bakosa no tentetetem anopay Ghana ha ye wo over 15 branches bembo mfafun na pre call center na ye ready 24/7 ni a cho baby e ben na wako 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Anope Kumasi for Mumbra Esha overseas. Sompa TV, Sompa FM ne wasro. Ano mo e form. Yene Alpha Radio ne ben so obo Mumbra Council Quarters. Core Junction e hwa na be hu en cry. Your Tantra Hill. Mumbra Sunyan Teaching Hospital. Kani Sunyan Regional Hospital ni ne die numhwe. First gate wa. En grandson ye tarim digidi. Techman for Mumbra GN Bank. E dan da danim. E ho Adam be hu yen. A 21st clinic a year laboratory and scan service. Massage in fidie DNA physiotherapist. Na bed down honto. Bray na no pay yen show ya DNA free ho. Aro pay makacho say. Ya wade bi emre bia o maybe wo ho. Ade bi ti say there ade bi ti say Royal King Cracker. A Royal King Cracker na no pay me come for mo. Tie me die wo mu nie. Royal King Cracker no. Makacho say the hospital o se bi show bag mu. Also be done China bibia timisi ha o kwa akosere obi a na otodwoma na Royal King Cracker kan wa se wasa akapo manu andwam gos said ye tiedie obi a timi akwara panyini baba wa brantie tese sugar content no kra enim no kranti amobi a timi awibi emfa ho so ye den dia yare de utimi wibi anope bomodin a na pe Royal King Cracker ni bi na wibi anope nkwada ni kosku a pepishe mu back ni mu kosku na BBS a wawe bia no bia bobom so aguso on e kro do eye Royal King Cracker enye keke na mu we ye Royal King Cracker biscuit ana make amfo e dia ma anope tago heba mister ene ne capsules tago heba mister one ne capsules tago oni ne herba ni the capsules and then a mixture. I don't pay to me. Bear my dear manya yi. Na de ni changing your top for me to pija. O pushy o bre and wabre. Ah, and was impotency. Adi wu ye bi yacho. Bear my dear nisa manu. But so ya tago herba mister and then the capsules. O bear my own yatinka say, o ba own yatinka cried any bubu. So what's the own yatinka and yadia. Infections are who do nyina to say how adwe no onya tago heba mixture na ebeboa wo say pharmacy shop bia the drugstore shop bia ye papa bia beja bi 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 aropa tago heba mixture ana wo bubobi hey kro bia no bubobi konkran basana don't said Pine Bar Betty. Kingdom Herbal Center no person in Kanchao. Kingdom Garlic Capsules and any bitters. Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Tremendous capsules. The woman here tremendous no. A mama no. And naturally health formulated. Or baby I won't be so babo. Nano na boama if you wire your pool. Can be a whole senti be a whole be a twice here. Infections are what draw. Ye menstrual disorder. A man a more draw. A tremendous capsules. Kingdom Herbal Center ne diaba. Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Enyina yedim. Say Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules yema mema no. Be ma de ni so sisi oya, eni so oya mentally stressed up. Eni say who produce sperms kitikiti bi. Also onya ahode abetim dia kwa adwuma no powerful staircase na okobasa. Wodi ni girem onya physical energy. Afi nkwamwa no so wapo shutu abaye amwati menya ba. Afi ma extra power. Ye Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Edro we ya mobia. Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Mobia. Kingdom Garlic Capsules any bitters. Dear Jenna make us a build the immune system. Now my immune system now is strong. So as they release stress every so. Anxiety, arthritis, unam to numbness, hypertension, stroke, heart disease. So I dia dokore Mr. One here webuato. Unya Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Shannon so Kingdom Herbal Center. And ye first they introduce garlic bitters. Asana nkofo nyina say hey ade egbo adwuma no mo so sha se so mbesua ye bi 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 now so bejo Kingdom nupa yi bi Arapai OCP Ghana Limited. OCP Ghana Limited season na dru ho fertilizer deɛ no ani OCP Ghana Limited fertilizer muntie nie na anom na obi se from busam na oh TSP no OCP TSP no ɛno ne yɛde bɔ legumes mo amudua legumes no mo ya OCP TSP ɛno na adwuma ɛyɛ no for legumes na mom atosodie nyadoa ntos moko jene garden eggs de keka ho ni nyina ɛyɛ vegetables ɛne mo amudua cereals mo eburo ne de keka ho no mo hia fertilizer your friend OCP 15 OCP 15 anasa okonyama OCP 10 the same formula OCP 10 a farmer wasas no ebe rich na fe o no ba enya fe ni nso giram na baby ay green baby ay red baby ay debi onya OCP ni bi anope no anebe boa wo pa krobia ni atie anope krobia ni aje Mr. Affable kwa bi na say Robbie Mr. Affable na msi ade so fa ne ho Robbie asati ara pa ba che
buru onye ba
na bom ti say
na mugusu ye kase
de do ba dia se
mo piafo
de do ba dia se Abraham Cletus of Broni Machi
Nkwantabisa
epom te saying
amegu switch ya pomodin o hebe bia bosum na buka fa kodu no na era so ka i present list no ho a ati nyankopɔ ne yadiri
no kwasem
na wa ma me kwan de na wa come constituency na me din cha come member of parliament for Rukum MP honorable Michael Akwasi Edu no ma chair party mpenifo nyina na masrese dum so na ha Ghana babia no ofurikom ko ade ne de ya koyese ye de no ano odins ne babia
o na tintra onko obi afu
no ba ma busa o ma mo wosu bi ni other places no nti busa me sare nti no ofurikom ko ade ne de ameye de ne na Nkwantabisa nim se babi ebu wan ma 8 hours 6 hours no ma so ye de ne de ye nya dum no a expect that 12 hours
me so de ne ye
ye de ne ye mpono 12 hours ne ye Pastor bi mu dey 6 hours ni 8 hours dey dey 12 no
so maka say baby o problem for certain reasons say for personal reasons
nti e bone be na ya o mo ya dey nti e say dey personal reasons ni bia so for certain reasons
and PR ka so ni because but still na homa na say busy na ye be say o cheche
so na kwata I think the complaint the specific complaint me any about Oforikom constituency because na Nkwantabisa but didn't come over other areas here menim said dumusona aba no across the country but the intensity a war of Oforikom constituency there no I think say I am appealing to the ETG say for many members of Oforikom constituency because yenim said dumuso aba but send your air course or baby omudum baby 6 hours 8 hours no omundum bi san fa mo Oforikom. Why is it that the BIS 6 hours? The BIS 6 hours. I'm very serious because you see, I 6 hours. I'm here about common and it's 12 hours. And to say, Dumun Sabas across the country. 6 hours. Dumun na cost of baby. I'm more for you comfort. I didn't know BIS 6-8 hours. No for you come consistent to they do 12 hours. And I think say maybe. There is something specific a constituency 12 hours mama country and that's mom fix it no more so you find 2 6 and 8 hours doom so to be 12 hours ni
I don't mean just say crop ya make say doom so well so no so timbe
crop ya make say doom so ba crop ya make makasa and aka crop ya obi a wa dress fine pa say pa bet na Sompa TV na crop ya ka say doom so ni ho na tie for gwa fa na ho nche no na go dey obeko for 6 hours there no na code ka bi mo for ko for ba chowa
of akle me na ase bobo ya sha ko bo na ase da yemfa ase ya beba current happenings ewo energy ni so yen kan ya wonsam no ewo ha ya beba but His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana's economy rebounding investment rising. I think the good news is Ghana and Ibia person here say oman economy no ahoɔden aba soro. Afei investment nso ba soro. Krobia. Excellency John Dramani Mama. Say Ghana economy no say back ahoɔden ba investors and so back because investment are rising.
Sure. Me fa kwanya we so na me chia obi na me sanso enchia o production team ani me amenua Cletus na me fa kwanya we so na me chia na pa bi na me nkase as NDC afimu yabeto aba de yi empanyimfo nti me de me advocate for me regional chairman na nakwasi say atua ina ne asi ahenfo emma no akwanya bi na onsom the third time de waye bi pen no de aya wo de bibi hye ne nsa ya na o ahotoso ne abotoye mu say obe deliver ama na waye bi penti enshada enyanwanwa bebre na kwasi bruni say you don't fix what is not broken ade no say enseye enjimbo ho a menye so bia kotoka mu no na ka no empem ye mani mu bu ya ye se da de kose magazine fo eno anfa dade mbobo ho so mo tere no na kwesi aye bi pen NDC ne asanteman ne omampanyine ne yewura NDC mpanyifo nyina nim say Ashanti region we are confident speaking on radio and TV on social media because of the leader Yana Nakwasi ne enormous contribution, the selfless and the sacrifice he has put in our party are so attractive. And on Americana, there's one thing I'm person me way. Unse nyamya duma and this year constitution 2027 and ye be yen flag bearer. Na ye de no ye a bottom top approach there no unlike MPP for almost the BB for fraba a top bottom approach yeah no this year na internal elections question national every constituency branch ward constituency region national na next year 2027 party I share flag bearer na me personally this is my view, this is not the view of anybody. I will opt for Haruna Edusu Eric Opoku take it.
Hey.
Yes.
Eric dear.
So who is
Eric dear catch himself over. But Haruna na minim say why in public yeah.
And I mentioned so in the public I am opting for those two. Exactly. I don't want to say when you mean or when you way.
But the H way be
no me feel say many we need vibrant, very energetic people are to me as spearheaded the affairs after John Mahama. We need that people. And said you wouldn't Erica what me I Buddha catcher will say Obebano dear. It tells you say that gentleman called Eric Opoku honorable. Or you'll be carrying who very well in the political, spheres of this country. Eric Opoku is one person who never be a fantagino, who boadier or brand who say, until May Eric Opoku, Haruna Dusu take it, Haruna Dusu Eric Opoku take it. I am very, very okay. And Oje Haruna Idriswa, say Eric Opoku accolade ne sacrifice, ne commitment, ne loyalty, ne BB and America. Haruna Dusu carry the same. Okwata Malin put him one friend Aduna. Honorable Aduna, he's a lawyer, he's economist, everything. Now, why majority leader, minority leader, why labor minister, current education minister. Who should we are branching and sifa to turn on your mana? May anyone was a Haruna Dusu win one day as a leader of our party and subsequently as a president of this country called Ghana. Now Eric Opoku and vice and as the vice versa. Media, I strongly believe that. So me and Usumpo 8 me meje at the home komo no makas okay then I'm going. Support me na we are obey me running meter. I think it's a very good pair. And you see pose a eba Haruna Dusu leading or Eric Opoku leading, Baumia is not a match for them. according to Global Info Analytics, which me no cannot dispute Najuma why in recent times. And me say that is where me pepper. So me ubusame in summary, I want the original chairman and another question to maintain. I want Eric Opoku, Harry Nadusu or Harry Nadusu Eric Opoku to lead the party or succeed John Mahama and subsequently 2028 win elections for the NDC. Back to your question, Omampanyini said the economy has seen a rebound. May say it's not in doubt or it's not in dispute or Kwame it's not in doubt. And it's not in dispute. The economy has seen a rebound. The investor confidence is rising, and because the parameters to prove say the economy is doing well, we have achieved them. Now, what is inflation? 3 point something. But this is a drop. I'm here to check now. Inflation at me, I drop it a Number 2. A year your friend is saying cedi to dollar and also do say and Omampanyini petrol rising yenim said Iran and Israel and America and Tokwano and they how we eba. We know we appreciate it, and many discerning Ghanaians allude to the fact say Sanyo money in ano and kahoma yehu de yehu Omampanyini call Kwawu business forum Easter ya no obakaya Omampanyini ka say obakaya Omampanyini ka say offer emergency cabinet meeting na omo akwa discuss about the rising fuel prices obakaya Omampanyini Kwawu business forum no Kwame Nkwantabisa Kwawu business forum no Obakaya Omampanyini ka say offer emergency cabinet meeting and omokoba ya obaka say the way a diesel no see cost no what diesel no so 2 Ghana cedis every so automatically enya adwuma ntiene eye adwuma e bin see that petrol no so what is be 0.39% and no so eye adwuma. It tells you that he's a listening government and he appreciates the suffering and the complaints and the cry and the yell of the Ghanaian voter or of the Ghanaian or no so etwaba na so one twaba ye ka Ghana MPP for ye Ghana for NDC for ye Ghana for CPP for journalists to be a Ghanaian and Omampanyini decide say nyina ba why investor confidence and cost row say you inherited at a point in a history in Ghana inflation rising here could do 54%, which you are aware it's not in dispute. At a point in our history in Ghana, a dollar at me $1 20 Ghana cedis. At a point, petrol and as a fuel 1 liter now almost 18 to 20 cedis per a liter. What I say, and they now your friend is saying cement say na sa no mani nyina say and they that indicators ni nyina no have there been an improved was sector na me pese me ka say sa no ya me bobo so dollar to cedi the major trading currency nyina de adwuma inflation afei your friend is saying ada GDP, other annual money in has there been an improvement if it has been there, then Omampanyini said the investor confidence because free on my gun or my so at the Usika eba be share on my gun mu aba do jetra be shaba be yejuma na say over to say inflation will be say 24%. Investor be no beba. What I say, but as I say, a major challenge. Me make say as NDC, a major challenge. The power fluctuation. I hit it hard. It has hit us so hard. Me NDC ni, me Ghana ni. You do me like Enra. Me da off and you rebel 6 about 12 something as an year so. Environment me me packing kai panty sometimes maybe I'm a double 2 hours be no me mania but making kai sa I'm na bo be 2 class masada Sabre ni nyina no na me da ofum.
Omudum ne sese omo so nse.
Bet 12.
Say sa na Nkwantabisa 6 hours.
Ana me tell da bi na untie me wie. What about anopa so a yebetuma dum no? E bi anopa untie. Yebetuma dum na anopa 8. Na bi ya so na nwumre 8. Eno so we. Power fluctuations. Don't single out Oforukrom, but I agree to your point because I want to what here. I want to we MPP in. I want to war. And to war no. So wo kwama Oforukrom for mean to me and kase isusu han wani. What you say? Any baby ah, want to mean ka baby ah because me more a classical example say in other areas bia you do light and upper 8 so no number 8 and 6 hours about. And you 6 hours, but I am not fighting you. I am not arguing with you because I want what here. Now, as Antiquary say, obi esu a osu niwa. And they say, oh, what to cry here 4 hours? I would when you can say 8 hours. I want what here. So you have to fight for your people. Me Tibokro State. I have to fight for my people. What you say? Me you from Ponte, me come on Ponte. Okay, year last week Saturday, I'm for another traffic on to Kakofan. Now, me call another back hairdresser. Ne complain say honorable. Na nasema badia munze dollar nyoma bebre ma yama ye hu stability nanso dumso egu yadwuma o ye hairdresser ye dum light ontimi wo show biti ontimi nya bibia yade a heti hard eno na LED ama enne minister akase Greco engineer Kuwa very well
Machibio. So the economy bouncing back, investment, cost.
Okay, and I'm going to be made say, yes, the economy is bouncing. Na ye Musaya who say, I am no cresse or mampeni, your mamma by your mampeni economy bounce now. Now, Nkwantabisa, we have been in single-digit inflation for 33 continuous months, from 2017 September to 2020. We were in single-digit inflation for 33 consecutive months. Now, when 2022 near we are seeing now could do ya nebi to Ghana na economic indicators na issue to cost na a horn I could whom say a could pick you 54% no. And I want to be it took 13 months and they did free 54 able do 20 point something. Now you who said the trend was heading downwards month by month. Every month be a pick you 54 no. Every month be a Ghana Statistical Service Edom report bebe biano. You will see say the inflation was dropping sometimes between an average of 3 to 4% monthly. And the Bible do 20 point something percent in the free abemuno. And already the economy was bouncing back. And now all the indicators nature are. Oh here city any forest as all Kenya. It never went to 20. Now they could do 17. That is the record. Now ye free akunyaso no. Near who said day by day. Now so to the sense it got to 14 when we were leaving power. That is for a fact. Now, 17 and air buffer no. These economic indicators, it doesn't happen overnight. So what they should be go akwamupo a sana economic indicators na year juma edefa. And see everybody in this country, business people, economy watchers, everybody saw say ampa the economy was recovering. Emma Bekaya, I call Parliament the last state of the nation. Can say yes, we have turned the corner. You go so no man, you free, baby. You could do your neck on be hot runner and your pointed to the right direction. And so it is not as if that President Mahama and now all of a sudden these things begin to turn. They were already in the descending, order. No. Now, here. The economy a bounce back. The theoretical part ya book mudiano ewo. Now, you say enka naturally all these economic indicators the natural cost and turn the positive angle. Ubehu the ripple effects our growth and employment mo because the economy ni bounce back here omampene mahama catch say investors invest no invest here is to lead to the creation of jobs. That is very, very simple basic economics. And to say yes, investors no eba, but we are not seeing the corresponding growth our economy nimu any the corresponding recruitment of young people then there is a lacuna. Then bibi or honoma a beauty every economic imagination or economic theory. Say investors invest, but yen hunu ni so ewo ejuma expansion and also ya dey things of manpanini aban no they should look at it. Na ye can say artificial manipulation of the economic indicators no say ye nunti na yen hunu the economic correspondence no so and so mama ye den ama yen hunu na menua ka say sisi ade bibia ye kama nko sikasema jane naso na mehwe me beka wo fidikesi so say baabi ye a nanka wo de baabi ho ye na akosort baabi so anka ho no mokofom no entinka ya hu se economy no bounce back sikasema ye kama no nanka aban sika wo so otuatuade ma na dwumayefo ne contractors ne omo odo mo ka bia nanka hu se sikasema ye nanka aban etua. But in this material moment here, say economy now bounce back no. And may mumpuna na menu and this ni be say men kontakoye from some do muntimi nka. Na Nkwantabisa, I am saying this on record say NADMO ye nuanu man this for constituency organizers. Mo kokoje NADMO adwuma as NADMO directors ebi mo ja mo teach ebi mo ja mo adwuma mo ye. Akokoje NADMO director adwuma na Nkwantabisa almost 16 months ni yentu omoka. Actually, omo down appointment letter some 13 months ago. To let me give the correct date. 13 months ni yentu omoka NADMO directors. Obeka na teacher for there. Na no nurse for there. So economy anka bounce back say nurse kasema gina ye there. Enka we should be see say no mamu ina no nka abai ye from na say am pampa or manis kasema gina ye. And na nka kokofo na ke yantimi nti omo kan ka o man so abase se yesika sema gina ye economy na bounce back eti anya sika ma say of sika sema gina ye dia and ye mpese kwa from ho ba kire mo and ya teso o wa market kwapa ye dia be kuchi mo. But it is in this case and na ye ka say economy ya bounce back na ban say mintimi ntofu ampo power plant nti muntua 1 cedi per liter nyasa mintimi emamo light. And the economic bounce back no. Nanka ye hwesenka ehun sunsuaso no be ma positive effect. But it is this economy and it force a bounce back no. Enumu and ye hu sa hardship to the extent to say yet to electricity move over 24%. Ye we and ye say at 3%. Near the no sa up to say be bribi and so. So na Nkwantabisa media me say finance minister near ban say if indeed a bounce back or my young so a bar, ye na ye better ye benefit near who some pamper the economy now bounce back by because let me say me the menu is because the so never me who say am pie says customer gina ye hunu ye and to say lacuna bin a hodoma or mom fix the bridge now say bridge now between employment growth and all that any investment cost no omo hwe na omo emananya kamanya hu say ampa investment cost no ama a translate into job creation and growth.
But that's it. Na membra na yenko the next one meaning so Abia but yenko the next one of a claim I just yen free honum on Ada mebusa say minim so bibia peso ya
enye the okano well I will agree with him say let me read about Ghana Statistical Service. The employment rate as at 2024 the MPP 2025 January the NDC took over government. What I said na economy no was na MPP time no it dropped by I think 0.3%, just 0.3%. But year on, and they move from 4% to 3%. Yeah, it's just a abandoned born home model. Even in the police security forces alone. Within the 4 years, I buy and 40,000. Very significant. It has never happened in this country. It means that say I buy a fast 4 years. It just simple arithmetic. It will give you 10,000 security forces yearly. That is the security sector alone. Now you come to education. Now for education, how about health? When we know a friend say an improvement, but I never come and say you can't near so clear and say, "Aya, now Nkwantabisa." Me person me this human be true politics, because if you am a crime, because me jobless, if you be to feel jobless, and the other they make can say, "Baby, a buying aya kwa kodubiano." Government should do more. Say the all canon say investment badia. And then you can say investment bar. Meaning Cletus. Yes, I'll be say, or you know, my penny office and no man penny castle, or tell me baby as much as what's an anno, you often the pa unim say, and your possible sa. I've been in the factory, or copasase, or a pencrata, or a baby beyond was set up, the area of any paduma cogum. Obia or say, Missy Abrosai, and I miss estate the mammy chrome for them piano. And that's what kind of channel panel of our mattress as well to say, oh, them. It takes process. And now the investor confidence air rising, any air show a clear sign. Oh, do Kaya, you are to force a call, and as I call US Ecosia investment to be or just a brief no. Okay, say at the force. Omubusan say, Omubusan say, sir, figures you winning is a cosmetic. What's that be? And your cosmetic are real. It tells us that now the investors now they are interested. That is why those questions were asked the minister.
But I say thank you.
I'm going to be a quick also rebuttal on the rebuttal. And I'm going to be the police recruitment now. The president is trying to scam the people of this country. Oh. The 40,000 our council. I was saying 40,000 per year, right? For the over the 4 years, right? Or say 40,000 over the 4 years. The most was a year. Okay, so you are then you are talking of 120,000, which the president or 160,000, which the president never said. So the president clearly said that 40,000 for the 4 years, right? Into year is 10,000. Yes. And I'm going to be there was no single person recruited in 2025.
I said today be winning 20,000.
There be 20. See, almost 10,000 now. So 2026 they are more for right. Almost quite the 5,000 buy me boy. And now sir over 500,000 for apply. And no man pay say you say 40,000, you 10,000. So it tells you say if they are employing 10,000 every year, they have 3 more years. So it's not going to be 40,000 because 2025 is past and gone.
There be close to city. Over to me take a decision be waha. Ebe ma take retrospective effect arambwa. Some omanpanyin say yenye no 40,000 4 years. Tie omanpanyin no mo say yenye 40,000 4 years. Omanpanyin wanka say per year say 10,000 say dem no nyina ka no. Every cry na ye 15,000. Next year 15,000. The following year 10,000.
I read the president's statement. Paragraph 3 categorically stated that 10,000 per year. It is in the 3rd paragraph, 2nd line. So the president was very clear in his mind that 10,000 per year.
They quote him of it was paraphrased.
There a letter on your statement.
You read from who?
Oh, my penny letter on the buyer. Okay, the letter on the
statement that was written.
It was stated that 10,000 per year. And to anchor 40,000 hot round. No problem. He was also very particular about the year.
But you know, he said 40,000 over 4 years.
And was our bar, 2nd paragraph, breaking it down, say 10,000 per year.
Cletus, I agree. Don't worry, I agree to your point. Me say, who you a politician? Your interest in saying to me, yeah, about Penina can.
Mr. Mommy, I doom so. Cletus, young called Greco for engineer, head of Greco. Yes, so in 9 for investigation. So what Tibia, I say sabotage near the Adi Wom, Nemakani and your Kosombo substation by Kwashi. Oba Ashanti region heads have been rolled. You say you are reshuffle being so hard.
And I'm going to
the current situation we are.
Medas, and I'm going to tell you the question of the Omampani, John Mahama, and this for Montias Precopese, or Montimin Fire Green Yagro. Share Doomsona Abano. The first thing the government should do is say they should first accept the reality, say Doomso is back. Because I'm not going to be say 1 year to Muse, there is a problem one. You cannot even solve it. Omampani abawe any canyon to Muse. Doomso aba. So to Musa, then they can carry the people of this country along. Say when you solve a problem. No. But now, Omo to Mukrampo said Dumusaba in the first place. Now, baby, when the first started, we have been in this situation for 9 weeks. 9 weeks are 2 months ago. 9 weeks near about this situation. Fire now happened or Kosovo substitution happened. Was it not just last week? So we have been experiencing this situation 8 weeks before the fire outbreak in one of their substations. And they started here some 3-4 weeks ago. Almost say Omampani Eko Netono or can say a more year upgrade. 18 year experiences are a power fluctuation situation. Now got a bit of Busano say power upgrade or more can was almost changing transformers. Changing transformers. Any changing power transmission lines, no, it's a daily operational work of ECG. And nobody can tell me, say, because we are changing transformers, because we are changing transmission lines in Tino, daily operational activity of ECG and ye do musaba. Nobody can convince me on that basis. Now, see here, almost say a upgrade, a power lines are yes, sir. Name a sabotage. And I'm going to be some Busama who say, Omoba Bemu almost say April, right? And don't buy Bemu for 14 or 16 months in the year. First 1 year, no, we didn't experience that. In the sample for almost a sabotage, no money now. Were the people that they are suspecting of sabotage now, were they not there from 2025? So I be pimne. In the na sanko for who say ko sabotage aban no. Now this they should tell the people of this country the truth, because power generation no the production part generation but you kuku no you no and now you want the transmission part and you want distribution. We have been told that in this country we have over 5,000 megawatts of installed power. And you see a peak, 4,500. In Chamokaka, you were excess, right? So the problem is not about generation. That is one bit. The problem can also not be about transmission, because transmission the land yan e kuku or thermal power station one kwa dia ya de ba eno de anya problem. Now na kwata bi some be catch re na no ahyase Omampani no great Omampani 7th January na we are na Abugina po e be catch re say we are left with just 5 hours of fuel to power our generation plants. Na kwata bi say no nti omode bill echo parliament under certificate of agency say yen once the per liter na yen just can go tofu and farm power the tofu and farm power the generation plant na kwanta bi say yetuai omo kan sa no kore kire yen Ghana for yetua yan twetwe yeti, because one me hu no kore de ye wo mu say yan tua sika no an go tofu wala yen timi generate power no. Yes, ye power until I did to me a day etuai say no problem for bi wo hono ma. Tell us the truth. That's not right. Sabotage, because the people there what's the sound is for you now. It was not going to solve the problem until we tell us the truth.
Thank you. Crowder.
Miriam, na numbers in Buza Club to say okay, Napo. Doom says okay. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. I just asked you a question. Okay, say Napo time, not doom so be wo. Yeah, can say omo the bicycle bi nam wo yes ne so miem esesa wo yes no esesa transformers no and generators in there. So the question resonates today. the question arises today, say what has changed from what the minister has said and the MPP defended Napo at that time, and what has changed from what the minister is saying and at the NDC force. Why not allow the minister that space to work? You are MPP for. Mokai, no question say, okay, what Napo said was from the bicycle be Tiabin and Namkebu, no so as power transmission, friends say transformers are old in Manoma. Now, minister is also John Napo is also saying same. What has changed? When you knew say the reality on the ground and then this forecast, you defended to the core. And what has changed? And I feel you will say, Yamakancho said, Doom Siaba. That's one thing so clear about me, right? And they say, and Penufona or more Asante Regina, yes, yeah, changes no. Nakwatabisa, it's in your own interest. Umadokro. Baby, I won't know where Jumano. Where you will rank as a regional manager. I will be Ashanti East where you rank so. Your rank is there. When you force a berma be yepi. No one may na Ashanti be you what be ye traso. And Tibabi our Baba Druno. Ebia it's not the fault of yours. And you won't know your boneno. But a system no Amanabasa. And when you force a quack, tis a substation there I see. Munia. I best always in situation no. Until I abano and you bring any measures you go from no. Na Kwantebisa. Yes. Substation no kwano. Ah, I am 1,000 megawatts. Baby a washing kwano. And I know na asakra no bokom no. I best affect you hebu TV so. You hebu social media. The intensity of the fire. The intensity of the fire. And tienne a bit work of a problem diaba. But me point and say. Or my opinion say, or the just to mitigate the situation, just to salvage the challenges we are being confronted with. My point in say, Oma, yeah, my opinion say where you omono, ya change omono. Aban idea is in penny for the minister. I don't be a bit my yejuma. Not young corre, afi. Said the million Kayano. Says situation in Yanipano now, which in Yanipano Munina free. The situation will still be there.
Thank you. Emra, Meda say, Kobia, Yimundia Mobeka 0548931931 maybe some calls that I think birthdays in Swaha Anopea. May free ho and so 0548931931 0551931931. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Kwantebisa wadaro masaku di ni Odru Jankoba.
Sak na boko die.
O boko mzozo hoye.
Ya mi adum boko. Bienti anope.
Ma anope de mamenchia chama wadono kokura pia. Yes, I found my cook and I'm church and also empa. I'm MPP no na NDC no amakranke. Hwe bibi kan NDC about Ghana for no. The same thing say, "Oh, country you say, do so levy. You clear to a man have done Kokufa was now to petrol one no be a tough for that so maintain process the new one to do. Would and also talk of about could 1 liter be would 1 to that too. So don't talk to 1 gallon if you are tax 40 to 50 pesos. Let's say the doom some no young people are young and then for this another continue country Ghana for say MPP for and it's say Juma I say you see you are almost some cars about I say we can be try now MPP NDC for no and me pa NDC for power no NDC for ni ejuma you see you want NDC for eshishim MPP for eshishim kan na mu di ka ba na ejina so kakra no kan no eno sa tam de na you man na ejuma no atro na da we ya say I don't say do more number gas and gas and do mo say say mo ti se kana mo buya kala bulu mo di ko tia gas so na ka ni gas de e egu ye party ni ade mo go ga say do na to na mo de boss bo say mo di do di ni ade say e do for na share do more number
better say sir hello good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
This is Alhaji
good.
I'm sure the young sir. I'm a spokesperson the same blind. I think you look at KBS office. wrong. Assemble Nabotre. I said, you cannot forget too much, too much. A by in the papa, one young come young come every number. By will tell 1.2 billion and can inflation 1.2 billion to multi and can you come on set. Let me show how the mama I see. You know about you know which Alaji Makamo, Salam alaikum.
Also, Nina, Alaji Kanyan, they say young Kwana them to be a how be Timika. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, did baby Afrifi?
It is a sign. You will show a junior by me. Mount anthropological crime, the chairman was to China. And it's a bit of it. I want to know quicker. I get actually look back. The deputy secretary is and so much and that kind of talk about the country. It's not all the children, but 1.2 billion. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. One is to be I love continuing and want to know the children from time of the 12 to Malaysia, like the community. To be fast, I say, what we want to I don't know people. To the opportunity of the future, what can I say? And this is one back, this is the mama one back, and goodness and do so. So what like for my mouth for Common the baby. I need to do and this is not doing trouble. It's actually then after it. No, I think this is more than it. But yeah, this is about opinion from educated. Like I have a double. Let's say that
I say Junior about me, thank you. So Akrokeri Junior Tero, watching live from Akrokeri, keep serving Ghana. Regards to incoming MP for Formina constituency, teacher constitution Riamwasi, Jesus wept, John 11:35. Honorable jurors Deborah cried after NDC Dr. Mary Awusi went after Apostle when doctor, you know, where Damiche. Oyibo Boatin Akumane Behi, Mr. President, please do something about the power outage. And then Masawudu, the ongoing erratic power supply across the country is very much alarming. Ma Alfred, good morning. Tete from Sunyani. If the chief of staff and the governing National Democratic Congress are truly serious about this apology, then decisive action follow immediately. Okay, my birthday kakrebi, mama yenye free on temper. The kakrebi yenye free. So happy, glorious birthday to Sergeant Edward Saki of Sunyani Central Prisons, a very hard-working officer. Officer, today is your birthday. We celebrate with you. We say happy birthday, more blessings and more grace. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday, happy belated birthday to my dearest Ruth Amwa, CEO of Emroot Collection inside Tadi from Ketche Obi of Sompa TV, our very own Ketche Idenia Jumaha. Also, my happy belated birthday, Ruth. Enjoy this wonderful day. We ask for God's blessings and favor. And happy birthday to Madame Nora Boating. Ati Nora, today is your birthday. You're saying I may Adam Nini Sha Edema, Madame Nora. Ulysses Mami. Hey! Mani ababe difufu. Mene papa we opefo pa. O mani so mu do empire odo ahofama a odi momu no. Om se nka maame mfuo nyina te se wanka wiase emre. Om so mu do. No om de om aka che Nyankopon se. Mu ensi bia kron na de om be ya ma wasase so no hoda. Se wo mu. To om sere se. Nyame ma akwa tenten apomdin ewom. Omani dog, you dear, or a hard-working guy. Na mommy, Obano, the way I was seeing your birthday, just Obano dog, and Napa, ma boating. Happy birthday, Auntie Nora. I think last one away. Happy birthday to Matilda. Matilda of Chronom, way free Equia Nikki at Chronom. Equia saw my happy birthday. Australia Misha Bound. So enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Ivy. Wilfred Nelson. Oh, Ivy Nelson Soma Shiapama Wawadapa. Australia Misha Bound. Enjoy this wonderful and a glorious happy birthday. Incoming deputy youth organizer of Ofori Chrome constituency, age graceful, Sir Felix Bubukuma from Justice Kweku Enia Baba, NDC Communications. Also, my happy birthday. And I want my YouTube boom. And I want my YouTube boom. Happy birthday to Felix Budukuma. Happy birthday to Phyllis Budukuma. Wilfred Justice Kweku Eniaho. Baba NDC Communications. Oh, Justice Soma official pa. Osenya Misha Mao. Osenya me say as incoming deputy youth organizer of Ofori Chrome constituency no. Nyame ni wanim kan no ma da ye sunyina emrem. Justice say odo pa. Happy birthday say. On that note, the sports team, the mega sports team, I are ready with the Capitano himself, Mbapa.